Hello, today I'm reviewing the Hoover HMN7182WUK Hoover on behalf of AO.com. As you can see, it's rather large. It's an American fridge freezer, obviously the size is large. This is the panel for your temperature. You can change this. It locks after 5 seconds, as you can see from. If you hold this down for 5 seconds, it will unlock and you can adjust your temperature between rooms, and then your temperature to your desired temperature. This is inside the fridge freezer. Very large, very spacious. As you can see, I've never seen this in a fridge freezer before, with the tray, meat tray, which you can also store fish. I've got cheese in there. So many vegetable drawers, very large. Your trays down the side. Actually, in my previous fridge freezer, I couldn't store my Brita filter in there. So that's very good. LED lighting down the side. And as you can see, the freezer is frost free, so you won't get a build up of frost on your items. Drawer. The only thing that I find is this is actually quite flimsy when you're trying to open it. Apart from that. Also, when you leave the fridge undone, as you just heard the beeping, it will beep, so you need to keep it shut. It will also display an error message. Onto the second. That is the second drawer. It also comes with a 5-year free parts guarantee, which is fabulous. All in all, it's beautiful, really attractive, and well worth the money. There you go. It's also very quiet.